Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade naan. First, let's gather our ingredients. You will need about 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast, a pinch of sugar, and a half teaspoon of salt. Also, prepare 1 cup of warm water, a quarter cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt, and a tablespoon of olive oil. Begin by activating your yeast in the warm water with a little sugar for 5 minutes. Now let's mix our dough. In a large bowl, combine the flour, salt, and baking powder. Gradually add the activated yeast mixture, milk, yogurt, and olive oil. Mix everything until a shaggy dough forms. Turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface and knead it for approximately 8 to 10 minutes. This crucial step develops the gluten, making your naan wonderfully soft and chewy. After kneading, it's time for the dough to proof. Place your smooth dough into a lightly oiled bowl, cover it with plastic wrap, and let it rest in a warm place for 1 to 2 hours. The dough should beautifully double in size. Once risen, gently punch it down and divide it into 8 equal portions. Roll each portion into an oval or teardrop shape, about 1/4 inch thick. Finally, let's cook our delicious naan. Heat a cast iron skillet or griddle over high heat until it's smoking hot. Place 1 piece of shaped naan onto the dry skillet. Cook for about 1 to 2 minutes per side until it puffs up and develops beautiful charred spots. Immediately after cooking, brush with melted butter, perhaps infused with fresh garlic or cilantro for an extra burst of flavor. Enjoy your warm, homemade naan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.